heard the phrase, today's science for tomorrow's management. Well, if not, my project is all about that. I intend to use science to help better manage our oceans in the future. As the largest carbon sinks on the planet, oceans are our greatest allies against climate change. Yet they are under increasing pressure, getting warmer, more acidic, and deoxygenated. This reality has led to changes in oceanic circulation, rising sea levels, enhancing storm intensity, as well as changes in the diversity and abundance of marine species. Consequently, there is significant decline in marine fish stock, especially in tropical and subtropical areas. Coastal communities whose livelihood and economy mainly rely on marine fisheries are facing severe threat, and coastal and marine ecosystems resilience is strongly undermined. However, despite the growing evidence that climate change will keep disrupting the marine ecosystem, climate impacts on fish stocks, fisheries, and on the socioeconomic conditions of those depending on these activities are rarely quantified. During my AXA Fellowship at Lancaster University, I will seek to quantify climate impacts on tropical fisheries, including Kenya, Tanzania, and Mozambique, where impacts are expected to be more severe. In addition, my project will also examine how different actors and institutions in fisheries governance affect the ability to mitigate and adapt to climate change. To do this, I will adopt recent methods in climate modeling that consider linkages between social and ecological dimensions in fisheries systems and responding to climatic disturbances. I will address the governance question through the lens of two evolving concepts and emerging tools in natural resource management. That is interactive governance, institutional bricolage, and network analysis. Interactive governance emphasizes solving societal problems and creating societal opportunities through interactions between large numbers of governance actors and institutions that are influenced, constrained, or enabled in their actions by structures. Institutional bricolage, on the other hand, looks beyond the existing formal institutions and instead expands the institutional bracket to include modern and traditional, formal as well as informal institutions. Taken together, my project will help develop realistic fisheries management reforms that can help mitigate climate impacts within the Western Indian Ocean and beyond. Thank you.